Hello players, I want to show you the secrets of this shot right here. It comes up a lot. Let's go ahead and shoot it. By the way, check out my new gear, check out the website, and pick some up, help the channel. Okay, right here, we're going to use this draw shot, and we're straight in on this corner, and we've got to gain position to that 9. We're going to be breaking this shot down. There is a secret to it, and let's see if I can make it right now. Now that's not bad. Now let's break this shot down in more detail.
Let's first take a look at this shot in slow motion. Even though this is straight in, I'm going to cheat the pocket and you'll see it right here. Note how I'm cutting the ball to the right slightly. And here's an excellent look as the 8-ball goes right by the point of the pocket. And because of pocket cheat, you can see the angle is changed for the cue ball to come back to the side rail, which helps us with this position. Now, pocket cheat alone will not get the job done, so what I'm going to show you here is how we strike the cue ball. Because we have to draw the cue ball back to the side cushion with some speed, I like to hit more low than side spin. And for better accuracy, I try to stay within a 1/4 size diameter of center on the cue ball. And for those of you who do not know, when we stay closer to center on the cue ball with our tip position, this helps to reduce cue ball squirt. And here's a good look at pocket cheat and cue ball spin in action. Notice how the slight cut to the right on the 8-ball allows the cue ball to come off the left side of the vertical axis, which creates the angle back to the side cushion. And here is another look.
So now that we know how to execute this shot, I want to talk to you about another one that's a lot more advanced. In fact, I'm going to include another video within the comments of this video. I'll pin it in the comments. And it's one where the cue ball and the object ball are close to the cushion dead straight. We can still get up table from this shot. Watch for that video. But now the other thing I want to cover is what happens if we have our object ball and our cue ball dead straight in further out on the table. In other words, looking at this angle, if I look at angle into this rail and I look at the angle out, equal angle in, equal angle out, I should be able to put the cue ball right here for this 9 in the corner. Practice this shot. It's not as difficult because we're not adding that side spin which squirts our cue ball, so it creates a different aim issue. We're just drawing dead center in the cue ball. And here's a tip. When you come to this shot, look at the bottom of the cue ball, put your tip right at the base, and look at the curvature of the cue ball and position your tip. From here, just raise up that little bit to have this nice draw and stroke through the ball smoothly. And I put a lot of juice on that, but boy, look at that. Perfect over here where we need to be. Easily pocket the shot. Let's see if we can make it. And that's for the win. If you guys found this video to be helpful, please share this video. It helps my channel and I need your help. And hit that thumbs up because it really does help as well. The algorithm makes this video get out to a wider audience when you do that. The other thing too, check out my new website, ronthepoolstudent.com. Check out our merch. Help my family because it's a family-run operation. I'll talk to you about that in another video coming up. Support the channel by making a purchase. We will really appreciate that. And like I always do, I want to include another tutorial that'll be very helpful for you. So watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.